over the I'm just giving you some tips. What's going on, guys? It's YouTube creator here, and I'm just gonna give you some tips on how to increase your YouTube revenue, how to make your YouTube revenue double. So first of all, let's go over to YouTube. Go to my channel. It's not really popping at all. Very inactive channel, but I have been researching a lot, and I've been figuring out how to increase your revenue. So my channel's AFK, so can't really go by anything right this second, but I have realized that what you post on YouTube matters. So let's look at my analytics right now. So let's see if we go to my overall YouTube analytics. You can see that I've made $3.39 this month. Absolutely terrible. But as you see, this video right here has gotten 877 views. And you know what's going on? You would think that this video has made at least $8 or maybe 80 cents, but no, it's made absolutely nothing. 0.006, and the CPM is terrible on it. You know why that is? Because it's a violent video. Violent videos make you less money on YouTube. Just remember that. This is kind of like a sexual video. If you look at it, made me nothing. It's been posted for a few days now. This was just a test. Reached about 4,000 people, and it's made me 9 cents. So again, terrible video that makes you nothing. Now if we look at this, how to increase your portfolio in Robinhood, it made me 80 cents and I got 116 views. That's literally a penny a video, or a penny a view. And how I did this, and what I realized through YouTube, is that videos that are educational make way more money. Like, you will literally make a penny a view for educational videos. I could show more proof right here. Check this out. Go to another educational video. These videos literally have no views whatsoever. 60 views, 18 cents. That's 0.05 a viewer. The CPM is very high. Look, it keeps increasing because it's educational. It realizes it is. As soon as it posts, it doesn't realize it's educational. As it realizes this is education, the revenue goes up. So here's some tips on what to do and how to make your, just how-to videos are educational. And if you're trying to teach something, video games, I posted video games videos before. Those aren't educational. You know why? Because video games, let's check it out. Let's check out, yeah, this is a video game right here. Video games are saturated, okay? 3,000 views made me $2.43. Now, it's because there's so much saturation here. There's way too much saturation, so the revenue, yeah, it's going up. Barely. I'm getting nothing out of this. Look at the CPM. Yep, it's down on the ground, then it spikes up randomly. Down on the ground. It keeps getting lower and lower as it is. So video games, very saturated, so you're not going to make a lot of money as a small channel on video games unless you make tutorial videos. Here, I'll show you this one. I just posted this one. This video got 59 views, 20 cents. It's because educational videos make you more money. So like right now, this video, as long as you're watching the video and you stay active on the video, you are increasing my revenue on YouTube. So what you've learned today is that educational videos make you the most money. Sexual and violent content make you the least amount of money on YouTube, and video games are saturated, so you'll make money off of it, but not as much money. You need a lot of views to make money off YouTube. So if you got 400,000 views, that would be $400. But if you did that on educational videos, 400,000 views would probably make you like 40 grand. You see what I'm saying? So make sure you're in an audience where it's not saturated. Post new content, tutorial videos, all that, and you will increase your YouTube revenue. You see, I have been doubling my YouTube revenue. If you look at it, I've been making nothing, and then I just started posting educational videos. Now it's going up. So as long as you post education, you'll make some money. Education. Well, this was down, but it's not education. Education goes up. Education goes up. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, leave a like. Honestly, I don't care if you leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Doesn't matter. The clicks are the only thing that matters. Peace out, guys.